Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and I'm one half of Not Your Mom's Greens. So for today's video, I actually waited a long time to film this because I've been saving up these cleaning product bottles for BC before Corona. So you know it's been a minute. And initially I thought this would be just a review of what cleaning products I like. I'll get into that definition in a minute. But over time, with the pandemic raging on, it really turned into a reason that I stopped using these clean products. So I'm going to get into that in today's video. Stay tuned. Okay. So if you're familiar with beauty, then you've probably heard the term clean before. And basically, clean products still have chemicals in them, but there are chemicals that are a little bit more natural. They're more gentle on the skin. So that's what that refers to, and it's the same for these clean products as well. These chemicals are not harsh, so one of the reasons that I wanted to try them is because, you know, my dad actually got me into using a natural cleaner, which is just vinegar and water. And while that's great for killing bacteria, it doesn't really smell good. So I wanted to try some alternatives that could still be, clean, not have harsh ingredients, but that they smelled a little better, to be honest. So one of the first ones I tried was this soap here from Everspring. This is a line that is available at Target, and I believe my mom was actually using their products first, and then I picked them up as well. So you're going to see a theme here. I love lavender, so this is their lavender and bergamot dish soap. I'm actually going to look up the price here and I'll put it on the screen for you all. Let's see. Hey Google, how much is the Evergreen lavender and bergamot dish soap? Let's see. Of course they don't want to give me the price. Okay, so it's $2.79. This was a pretty good deal for $2.79. It smelled good. I feel like dish soap, it all kind of works the same. Definitely had a nice suds to it. What I didn't like about it was what's happening here at the tip, which is that it's sort of calcifying. So it's getting really thick to the point where you can't even pull the top up anymore. So that was a big negative for me. I just felt like they needed a different bottle, and this would have been a much different experience. But as a product itself, you know, it worked just fine. So this was cruelty-free, biodegradable, and a 97% bio-based product. I will put that definition on the screen because I'm not exactly sure what a bio-based product is. So moving on, let's see, what order did I try these? I believe I tried this one second, which was the Home and Planet Multi-Purpose Cleaner Spray with lavender and argan oil. I picked this up at Walmart. There's no bleach in it. It is vegan and it's dermatologist tested. Again, no harsh chemicals, and it's a 90% bio-based ingredients. So this smelled really good. I like the way it cleaned. I feel like with these products, I mean, if it's a spray, it's a spray. They all really have the same basic premise. Is really for me about the smell, about the price, and about what type of ingredients are in them. So this worked really well. I picked this up at Walmart because so basically every time I went to the store, because we're in the pandemic, I ended up picking up different brands. So initially I was just going to try like maybe one or two, and then every time I went to the store they were sold out of the thing that I used last time. So that was great because it forced me to use different products, which is great for this review video today. So let's see how much this one was. Google, how much is the Home and Planet Multi-Purpose Cleaner Spray? Okay, so on Walmart where I got this, it's $3.97. So this lasted me a while for $3.97, and I really enjoyed this. Okay, now on to Miss Meyer's Clean Day. This is one of the OG like cleaning products brands. If you guys have been around people that are into more natural things, and you've probably seen this in their household, it's probably in your households. This is again the lavender scent because I'm a hoe for lavender. It says it removes dirt and it freshens surfaces. Again, this is cruelty-free, and it's made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, and birch bark extract. It's made without parabens and phthalates, glycol solvents, formaldehyde, or artificial colors. So this smelled great. Again, it was a pretty decent cleaner, but it's really not a lot of product, and I believe this was actually more expensive than this. So let me take a look. Hey Google, how much is Miss Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner? So let's see, we're gonna look at the Amazon price. No, that's all of them. Of course, the minute I need to find it, it's only showing me the bulk prices. Okay, so it looks like this ranges from $3.88 to $4.59 depending on when you get this. So either way, I still spent more than what I spent for this product, and obviously I didn't get as much bang for my buck because this is 16 ounces and this is 23. So if you want something that is a better deal, definitely go with this brand because they basically do the same thing. Then I have this Homemade Simple. Again, I picked this up because I couldn't find any of these two products, so I was trying something new. This is, again, a lavender scent. If you don't get the trend here today, multi-purpose cleaner powered by plants. So it says it's tough on dirt and grime. Again, it has plant-based ingredients. It's a biodegradable cleaning ingredients, and it's free of dyes. So this had a pretty good smell. I believe it was rather inexpensive. Let's take a look. How much is the Homemade Simple multi-purpose cleaner? So this isn't, okay, so this is $4.33. So this is a little bit more expensive, again, than this one, and we get less. So overall, out of these sprays, this is gonna be my #1 for the cleaning products just because it smelled great, it was really affordable, and it lasted forever. And again, 23 fluid ounces. And then this is 18. So overall, this is definitely the most affordable. So I would say go for this if you're on a budget. Now, we'll get to this one in a second. I picked up these Real Simple compostable wipes because when everyone was looking for wipes, like Lysol wipes, they were all sold out. So I ended up getting this one. It smells pretty good. I still have a lot left, actually. It's not tested on animals. It says it's safe around kids and pets, and it's made with renewable energy. So that's really interesting. I would love to get more into this. I'm not seeing that it's vegan, so that is something I would have to look into. It says it cleans without harsh chemicals, and it's formulated without parabens, dyes, phthalates, phosphates, petroleum solvents, and SLES. And it does say it's bio-based ingredients. So I'm going to get to how I ended up from here to here. So one of the things I was noticing as I was using these products is that none of them say that they kill bacteria or that they're antibacterial. And #1, I have a cat. If you guys have a cat, you know they're up on the counters, they're on all the surfaces. Well, maybe if you just have an unruly cat like mine. And so it's really important that you're able to wipe down your surfaces and that you're killing bacteria so that the bacteria that the cat picks up from being around the house in their litter box, etc., does not get transferred to your counter where you're cooking and you're eating. So for me, that made it a really big deal breaker that none of these products are actually antibacterial. The only one that I've seen that says it's antibacterial is the one from 7th Generation. #2 is that, of course, we're living in the time of the coronavirus, and so it's important that I'm able to disinfect my counters, that I'm killing those bacteria when I'm coming home, when I'm bringing the groceries from the store into my house. I gotta make sure that I'm not bringing the virus with me. So that's how I ended up using this Lysol here. This is made with hydrogen peroxide, so it's not a bleach cleaner, 0% bleach, multi-purpose cleaner, citrus scent. We did not get lavender this time. Say hello to Floki, Rashawn's cat. You might see him on the camera. So what I liked about this was that it's killing 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, which is the #1 thing that I need any cleaning product to do. Also, though, it has 0% bleach. It doesn't contain any harsh chemical. It does not contain chlorine bleach. It does not leave any harsh chemical residue. And it says it's a fresh, clean scent, and it kills 99.9% of germs. So it is still not as harsh as a bleach-based cleaner. And so that for me was a huge win, in addition to the fact that it is killing the viruses and bacteria that I need it to. It says the hydrogen peroxide formula releases thousands of microbubbles that penetrate to dissolve grease and soap them. And it soap scum, and it cuts through tough grease and soap. The only thing that I need this to have, I need to know if this is cruelty free. I'm not sure. I wasn't sure when I picked it up. So I'm definitely gonna stick to brands that are killing the bacteria, but also I want to find a happy in between. So I'm gonna pick up that 7th generation cleaning spray because it's supposed to be a clean product line and it's supposed to kill viruses and bacteria. So I'm gonna use that and I'll come back with a review for you all. But for those of you that use these clean products, tell me what works for you. Have you found any that kill viruses and bacteria? Have you found that you were happy with these, that you were unhappy? Let me know in the comments down below because I really want to start a dialogue on this type of stuff, and you guys really liked my sustainability videos. So 2021, I'm coming back with more sustainability hacks, more environmental friendly products, and I'm going to be talking about cruelty-free products as well. So if there's any other sustainability content that you want me to upload, please let me know. Everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. That's all I have for you today. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow. Also, again, feel free to comment down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so the notifications go straight to your phone. And if you're in the Chattanooga area, we make meal prep. So if you guys have anything that's vegan or vegetarian that you want us to dream up for you, be sure to send us an email. I'm going to leave that in the description down below. Until next time, peace.